Space is a realm of profound quiet. Without air, sound cannot travel, leaving only the faint background of cosmic radiation and the soft glow of ancient starlight. The silence stretches on, seemingly endless and absolute. For countless generations, humanity has looked up at the night sky, seeking meaning in the darkness. Our ancestors charted the stars, spun myths about the constellations, and pondered the mysteries hidden among the distant lights. Each era has searched for answers in the heavens above. But what if the universe's first true message isn't a welcome but a warning? What if, instead of reassurance, the cosmos sends us a silent alert, an unspoken caution echoing through the void? Enter the James Webb Space Telescope, our most advanced window into the universe. With its gleaming golden mirrors and revolutionary instruments, Webb peers farther into space and deeper into the past than any telescope before it. The message Webb received wasn't in words but in the form of ancient light, a cosmic narrative that shakes the core of astrophysics. This light has journeyed across billions of years, carrying secrets from the universe's earliest moments. What Webb has revealed suggests the universe is older, more mysterious, and more intricate than we ever believed. The patterns emerging from its data challenge our most fundamental ideas about the origins of everything. Think of every telescope before Webb as a candle flickering in a vast dark room, offering only glimpses of the unknown. Now, Webb acts as a powerful floodlight, unveiling wonders that were once hidden. It's as if a door has been thrown open, flooding the darkness with astonishing new sights and questions. Its first major finding isn't just a breakthrough, it's a cosmic alarm. Something in the data is so surprising, it demands our immediate attention. This warning isn't about extraterrestrials or incoming asteroids. There's no evidence of invaders or imminent threats. Instead, the concern is deeper and more profound. It points to something that shakes the very foundations of physics. The laws we thought were absolute may not be as unbreakable as we once believed. Webb has detected objects in the oldest regions of space that defy our current understanding. Galaxies that are too large, too mature, and too close to the Big Bang to fit our models. It's like stumbling upon a modern device in an ancient ruin. So out of place, it forces us to rethink everything we know. How could it be there? What does it mean for our view of history? This discovery disrupts our timeline of cosmic evolution. It hints that the universe's story is far more tangled and possibly much older than we ever imagined. Through Webb, the universe is rewriting its own story. Each new observation is like turning a page in a book we thought we understood, only to find the narrative has changed. This is a moment of both humility and exhilaration. Scientists and astronomers everywhere are struck with awe, realizing just how much remains unknown. The cosmos has issued a challenge, daring us to question, to rethink, and to push the boundaries of exploration. Now, we must decipher what this means for our past, our future, and our place in the cosmos. The answers we uncover could transform our entire understanding of existence. The universe is reaching out. Are we prepared to hear its message? A new era of discovery is unfolding, and it's up to us to pay attention. So, what makes the James Webb Space Telescope so revolutionary, and why is it capturing the imagination of astronomers everywhere? Webb isn't just a telescope. It's often called a cosmic time traveler, able to glimpse the universe as it was billions of years ago. Its purpose is truly remarkable: to peer back to the dawn of time, collecting light from the universe's first stars and galaxies, formed only a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. This gives scientists a window into the universe's earliest moments, a period we've never directly observed. Since its launch in 2021, Webb has been orbiting about 1 million miles from our planet. Its massive golden mirror, crafted from 18 hexagonal pieces, is engineered to capture the faintest, oldest infrared signals, light that's journeyed across space for eons. Unlike ground-based telescopes, which are hindered by Earth's atmosphere, Webb enjoys a crystal-clear view of the cosmos. It can detect things our eyes could never see, unveiling mysteries hidden behind cosmic dust and darkness. Its giant sunshield, roughly the size of a tennis court, keeps the telescope at an ultra-cold temperature, below -200 degrees Celsius, so it can sense the faintest warmth from the farthest reaches of space. Why is this important? Because unraveling the story of our cosmic origins helps us understand our own existence, our history, and our place in the vast universe. Where did galaxies originate? How did they transform into the immense structures we observe today? What sparked the birth of the very first stars, illuminating the darkness of the early cosmos? And could there be other worlds like Earth, with the right conditions for life to exist? Webb was engineered to tackle these profound mysteries, expanding the frontiers of what humanity can know. It serves as our window to the distant past, revealing the origins of everything we see in the night sky and beyond. Its mission isn't just about seeing farther, it's about deepening our understanding, uncovering the secrets of the universe, one breakthrough at a time. For over 30 years, the Hubble Space Telescope has served as our eyes in space, circling the planet and delivering mesmerizing images that have inspired both scientists and the general public. Its iconic photos of distant galaxies, colorful nebulae and far-off stars have transformed our understanding of the universe, exposing a cosmos more wondrous and enigmatic than we ever thought possible. Positioned just above Earth, Hubble specializes in capturing visible and ultraviolet light with exceptional precision. But now, the James Webb Space Telescope has arrived, bringing a revolutionary approach and new capabilities. If Hubble is like gazing into space with sharp human vision, Webb is like putting on advanced infrared goggles. Suddenly we can peer through cosmic clouds that once hid the universe's secrets. Thanks to its infrared technology, Webb can look deep inside stellar nurseries, exposing the hidden cradles where stars and planets are born, places Hubble simply couldn't see. Webb also lets us travel further back in time, capturing the faint glow from the universe's earliest days, just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang, offering a glimpse at the first galaxies taking shape. One of Webb's standout features is its enormous mirror, nearly 3 times wider than Hubble's, made of 18 gold-coated segments that unfold once in space. This design allows Webb to gather over 6 times more light, making it incredibly sensitive to the faintest and most distant objects in the cosmos. Unlike Hubble, which orbits close to our planet, Webb operates 1,000,000 miles away at the second Lagrange point, a perfectly balanced frigid location ideal for detecting the faintest heat from the early universe. Hubble has shown us the universe in its mature state, while Webb is now revealing its earliest moments. Like comparing an adult's portrait to a baby's first photos. Rather than replacing Hubble, Webb builds upon its remarkable achievements, pushing the frontiers of cosmic discovery even further. Together, these two telescopes weave a richer, more complete narrative of the universe, tracing its evolution from fiery beginnings to the vast expanse we see today. Webb is already solving mysteries that Hubble first uncovered, revealing new cosmic phenomena and answering questions that were once out of reach. By joining forces, Hubble and Webb are transforming our knowledge of the cosmos, combining their unique strengths to paint a more detailed picture of the universe. The universe is more vast, intricate, and awe-inspiring than we ever imagined, and with these two telescopes we're only beginning to grasp its true magnitude. And as Webb embarks on its mission, the next era of cosmic exploration is set to be even more astonishing. The James Webb Telescope's alert arrived as a subtle glimmer from the universe's dawn. Instead of the expected small primitive galaxies, scientists stumbled upon a colossal ancient star, dubbed Methuselah's Ghost. By all current scientific understanding, this star shouldn't be there. The Lambda CDM model predicts the universe's first stars, population 3, were made purely of hydrogen and helium and burned out rapidly. Yet Methuselah's Ghost contains heavier elements like carbon and oxygen, elements that shouldn't have existed at that time. It's as if someone found a finished cake before flour was ever invented. For this star to be here, an even older generation of stars must have formed and exploded, pushing the origins of star formation closer to the Big Bang itself. This finding throws our entire understanding of cosmic history into question. Either the first stars lived and died far more quickly than we believed, or the universe is older than our calculations suggest. Both options are groundbreaking. This lone star is now a massive question mark for cosmologists everywhere. The cosmos has just become even more enigmatic. The arrival of the data left astronomers in disbelief. They meticulously searched for mistakes, equipment glitches, or misreadings, yet everything checked out. The star was genuine, incredibly old, and contained elements that defied expectations. Initial shock quickly gave way to lively discussion and excitement. It was as if investigators had stumbled upon a clue that rewrote the entire case. Seasoned experts are now rethinking established theories, while younger scientists are energized by the prospect of discovering new physics. Webb's findings present a formidable challenge to current understanding. Dr. Evelyn Reed, a prominent cosmologist, remarked, "We're venturing into the unknown. JWST is revealing parts of the universe we never knew existed." Rather than clinging to outdated ideas, researchers are eager to solve the mystery. This breakthrough has ignited a worldwide effort to uncover more stars like Methuselah's ghost. If additional examples emerge, it will signal a fundamental trait of the early cosmos, not just a rare exception. Cosmology is now buzzing with excitement and uncertainty, and it all started with one extraordinary faraway star. This breakthrough might compel us to rethink the very beginning of our universe's history. For years, the Big Bang theory has been our foundation, but the discovery of Methuselah's ghost challenges everything we thought we knew. The presence of heavy elements so soon suggests stars and elements formed at a pace we once thought impossible. Some scientists now argue the universe could be far older, potentially as much as 27 billion years. Alternatively, maybe our theories about the first stars are flawed, or perhaps dark matter played a bigger part than we realized. Ideas once considered radical are now at the center of scientific debate. The standard cosmological model is beginning to show its weaknesses. We could be standing at the threshold of a new era in science. The revelation of Methuselah's ghost doesn't just rewrite cosmic history, it transforms how we look for life beyond Earth. Elements essential for life, like carbon and oxygen, are born inside stars. We once believed the early universe was barren, too primitive for life to begin. But if heavy elements appeared earlier than we thought, the ingredients for life were present much sooner. Rocky worlds, and perhaps life itself, could have emerged billions of years before our own planet formed. Entire civilizations could be billions of years older than humanity. The Webb telescope's findings broaden our search for life to include the universe's oldest stars and galaxies. The cosmos may be far more welcoming to life, and for far longer than we ever imagined. The tale of Methuselah's ghost reminds us of the true purpose behind our cosmic quests. We create instruments like the Webb not only to find solutions, but to spark even deeper questions. The drive to discover is woven into who we are. Each new revelation brings us together, reminding us that we all share this delicate world adrift in an immense universe. Science knows no boundaries and lights the way for future generations. The universe's messages are calls to wonder, to expand our minds, to dream bigger, and to recognize our place in a story stretching back billions of years. The cosmos is reaching out. Listening is our honor. So let's keep our eyes on the stars, always.